So this will be our fifth matches. So we will play 4 matches and we will play to contest. So I'm happy with the boys' performance they give till now. So I think we will continue with the same performance, and I believe in my boys. They will give their best.
Coach, as you mentioned that you met Northeast Union in this new fixture and the same fixture in the last year's Durand Cup semi-final.
The way they are playing is different from the last year. I see more aggressiveness in the team. They are more confident. They don't think whether they are playing with the ISL team or any other. They play with same intensity, same aggressiveness, and with same confidence.
So how important is the semi-final for this club, but also for the football in this region, given the derby background?
Yes, semi-final is also important. It's only to the final. So I think all the hard work has made us to reach here the semi-final, and it's a very good match, tough match for both of us. It's not going to be an easy match, and we have faced Northeast last season and this year also. We have lost twice, but I think this year it's going to be something different. I think.
So you always mentioned that your boys will play aggressive football. Will the same will we see the same tomorrow in tomorrow's fixture as well?
Yes, definitely. Whichever team I am facing, I don't want to change my playing style. It is going to be the same.
Are you preparing the team mentally for this intensity of a Northeast derby in a semi-final?
Yes, we are prepared well, and the atmosphere in the training ground also is good, so we are ready.
And you've left the defense strongly so far. So what's your message to the backline going in such a high intensity encounter?
Yeah, we play as a team. We stick to coach plan. Football is without fans is nothing, so I want them to come in numbers.
And what do you think will be the biggest challenge against derby rivals Northeast United, and how are you preparing to handle it?
Yeah, it will be a very tough match for us, and I think for them also because it's a derby. So, but yes, we are ready and we will give our all to win.
That's possible.
Another question. Derbies are often decided by fine margins. What do you see as the key tactical battles in this clash?
See, the advantages that we have played till now, my opinion is we play very attacking and very aggressive. We press the team high. That is the biggest advantage in my team. And my boys, they're very good with the ball. Okay, that's the thing.
To the captain, as a leader, how do you keep emotions in check while ensuring the team plays with passion and intensity?
Yes, we are young, but I always encourage them to keep fighting till the end. Yeah.
Okay, last question. What's your message to the fans ahead of the semi-final showdown?
Yes, just like I told you before, that football without fans is nothing. So I want them to come in numbers to support us and cheer for us always. The same thing that I already spoke. Yeah, like football without fans.
One special message.
I want the faithful of Shillong Lajong to come and support us, motivate us because of them. That, like, if we are tired, so we get energy from them. So, yeah.
In last match, we have seen more supporters for the Shillong Lajong team. How does that motivate you and the team?
Yes, that's what I just saw. Yeah, because of them, I think we are not playing for ourselves, and we are playing for 1,000 of them. So I want to come, and it motivates us, the players, because especially we are all here are from Shillong, most of and young, and give that support to us as always.
One question, Coach, are there any changes in the first 11 tomorrow? Because there have been some few feedback that they wish they see Figo more on the ground.
That's the plan, but I cannot tell you my playing level, but it's most likely what we have been starting with. Yes, Figo will definitely is a great player who has come as a sub and has given us results, so definitely will be good.
Thank you, coach.
Northeast United FC bring as a top tier side in the Durand Cup facing Shillong Lajong tomorrow?
I think the Grand Cup is not first tier or second tier or third tier. It's a derby, which will be really difficult for both teams. We know each other very, very well. Last season, this season, the team, Shillong get much better, and it was tough to play against them in the group. It won't be easy.
Coach, this is a deja vu in a way. You have faced Shillong Lajong last year in the Durand Cup semi-finals and also in this year in a group fixture for you. And what will the approach of the team be in tomorrow's match?
As I just said, we know each other very well, and last year is last year. It's not anymore. Last game was the group game. It's not anymore. Now it's a semi-final. This is the door to a final.
In a derby, that too in a semi-final game tomorrow.
We are proud to be here. It's not an easy cup. Always reach the semi-final. We are happy to stay here, but obviously we want more. We want to do tomorrow. We know that it will not be easy. Every single game they need us giving our 100%. I think tomorrow will be the same.
And you've played in high pressure games overseas as well. How does the Northeast Derby compare to those experiences in terms of intensity?
The pressure always is there. We have good players. We have to know how to manage it. I think the pressure is, if you take it in a good way, is good because you are aware all the time. And I think tomorrow we are going to manage that pressure in the right way.
So Lajong have always believed in playing aggressive football, and they'll be playing against the home crowd as well, who will be backing them tomorrow. So how do you plan on organizing and inspiring your team in these conditions?
We know that Lyon is a very good team. They have a good player, they're fast, they move a lot. We played 2 minutes ago, more or less, I think. So all of us, we know each other. So we will try to play us in our way, but of course they play and we respect them a lot.
Another question. In knockout games, leadership is vital. So how do you keep the team calm and focused when the game gets tense?
We will have to be calm. We don't need to win in the first minute. We don't need to win in the first half. The game is more than 90 minutes, so we know that the game has a small games. So we have to control that part of the game that we are not being better than them. We control that. It will be easier.
To not to abuse, but to take all that stress out and watch the game. This is the beauty of it, and I hope tomorrow it will be a nice game that everybody will be happy.
Is there any message for your opponent, for the opponent team, on behalf of Northeast United?
All the respect, we're brothers, we know each other, and the best will win tomorrow.
Can I have one question? Just one, hi coach Michelle. Just one question for for the two of you. Any standout players that you're keeping a very close eye on from Shillong Lajong?
Of course, there are 3-4 players. They are doing a lot of great job, and also for me, also the coach is working very, very well. All the coaching staff. If I tell you this one better player, it will be an insult to the others. I think all the full team is doing a great, great job, and all the team is veterans, even the ones on the bench.
Okay. And Cap?
More or less the same as coach says. They don't have just one key player. They have 3-4 players in front. Also in the middle and the back. They are playing really good football. They are a strong squad. So we have to be aware.
Thank you so much, and all the best for tomorrow's
Thank
match.
you.